Oh, didn't see you there. Sorry, I was just busy being my own superhero. Oh. 1 second. Hello? It's time to hang up my cape? Can I at least show everyone how to make the Hydro Blaster? Okay. Hey builders, Daniel from Toybox here, and you heard that right. Today, we're making the Hydro Blaster. Become your own superhero, water some plants, or come up with your own fun games with the Hydro Blaster Play Pack. Let's get blasting. First, let me show you what's inside your play pack. We've got the pump, 2 wrist straps, and the canister, which holds the water. And that's all you need to make the Hydro Blaster. Let me show you how to build your Hydro Blaster. Start by printing all the necessary pieces. We have tons of custom pieces to choose from. To begin, attach the middle panels together by using the flat connectors. Next, attach the wrist panels by sliding them onto the sides of the middle panels. Connect the front panels by inserting a flat connector piece and then sliding the panels onto the front. Connect the canister holder pieces in the same way, this time using 2 connector pieces. Next, use the smaller connectors to attach the nozzle holder to the top. Attach the nozzle and our printed pieces are assembled. Next, slide the canister into place. Attach the pump by connecting one end to the canister and the other end to the nozzle. This is how our Hydro Blaster will send our water flying. Finally, attach the wrist straps to your blaster. Insert them through the slits on the panels and connect the Velcro together. Slide the Hydro Blaster onto your wrist and we're almost ready to go. Carefully fill up your canister with water. Use the sink or a funnel works well. And now you're ready to go. Squeeze the pump handle and get blasting. You can water plants, play fun games, or be your own superhero. I can't wait to see what superhero you become or what fun games you come up with your Hydro Blaster Play Pack.